Let's do the entries today. Hmm. Counting, accounting, GL, document entry, enter GL account, expense to cash, 0.0201, debit, 0.01, debit. And the GL code is relevant. This is just a warning. Enter. Okay, all good. Balance equals 0. Post, enter. Warning, enter. Okay, let's see the errors. Okay, we have to go to customizing settings. Okay, now this is about accounting principles. Currency conversion settings are missing, and somebody has tried to play with the ledgers. They have destroyed everything. Let's see. What is the problem here? F546 posting period variant is empty. FGV9XI. Okay, 546. Global settings, global parameters, enter global parameters. F546. Double click. Posting period variant is F546. Fiscal year variant is this. Hold date propose fiscal year tax base is net value. Negative postings permitted managed posting period. Enable amount split. Save. Net tax fees gross fees will be okay. Just check this. 546. Ledgers, ledger, define settings. What are the settings? Ledger VM. Enter. DM. Enter. F546. Delete. Save. FGV9 sign. FGV9 sign. FG. Company code setting. F546. F546. Save. Enter. XI. Company code settings. Enter. F546. Delete. Save. Enter. Okay, now let's go back to the transaction. We have removed all of the errors, and I hope this will not give us a problem now. Post. So this was a long step. Document 10 was posted. Go to more, document, display. Okay, this has been posted in these profit centers. Okay, you can see the GL report and profit center report separate. So automatic postings are done in controlling area. Okay. Let's see if we can post an entry for $200 USD. Expense cash. Same account 30201, debit 100, 1 credit star. Enter, enter. Okay, till now. Enter, enter. Was posted in USD, it has converted. So let me see document, display. USD. Okay, display currency. PKR 50,000. Okay, it has converted, right? Has converted. So conversion is also happening at the back end. That's it. Let's go with another transaction. So once your configuration is in place, you can start posting entries. It's that easy. It's not difficult. You can also post different currency transactions in ledger groups. Now, what are ledgers? Now, ledgers, there are three kinds of ledgers. Reading ledger, which is one across the whole of landscape. Ledgers. Leading ledger, which is denoted with L0. There is only one across SAP landscape, which is main ledger. Main ledger, it means all transactions are posted and captured here in this transaction. Other than leading ledger, what options do we have? We have extension ledger, standard ledger. Extension ledger has to rely on any ledger. It can be 0L, 0L, or just any ledger. Standard ledger. Why do we need standard ledger? There are different explanations. First, for valuation. What is valuation? Valuation is of three types: legal, profit center valuation, and group valuation. Okay. Second is currency. Company code currency is PKR. Plant is in plant is operating in Kuwait, KWT. Mother company is reporting in USD. So for this, you will require a separate ledger. Okay. Secondly, you also need ledgers for accounting standards. If one ledger is GAAP, the other can be IFRS or IAS or any country's accounting standards can be applied. Okay. And you have company code currency, document currency, group currency, profit center area, profit center currency, controlling area currency. So ledgers actually covers this part. So when you're talking about different currencies, we need interpretation and translation of currency rates, which is done on average rate, which is M. Okay. So that's why we need ledger groups for reasons I have told. Now, this is an interview discussion that I did with you right now regarding ledgers. Make sure you note it down. Okay. So if you have a different ledger, which I believe you should make one, that is your homework for the next class. I will see that and make entries in this ledger. Okay. Okay. Document date, posting date, header text, 230, expense to cash. Now this is another transaction F-02. What we did was FB50, the previous transactions. Over here, this is a very powerful T code. First line item, account 30201. And we have posting key. Now, what is posting key? Now, this is the debit and credit indicators for every module separately. When you're posting in, when you're posting at the GL level, the debit is 40, the credit is 50. And when you're posting an invoice, a credit invoice, it is 31 invoice, that is credit to the vendor. The debit is opposite 21 or reverse invoice 22. When you're opening a sales order and debiting a customer is 01 and 11 or 12 as the credit to the customer. When you are posting a material document, debit is 89, credit is 99. Initial stock entry, you should ask why this is GL and not material, because this is related to stocks. Good answer. But initial stock entry is recorded in GRIR. GRIR. It has to do with GRIR, not directly with material consumption. Again, not directly with material, though it is material, but it is consumption, which is expense. Change in stock. Again, this is a variance related, not directly with material. GRIR debit. GR credit. Okay. So that is the reason this is how debits and credits are managed in SAP. 40 is debit for GL 30201. 230. Tax code is none right now. It will pick up the profit center automatically to 30. 230 expense cash. Assignment is a field which is very important for reconciliation. Posting key 50, which is credit 10101. Now, special GL indicator, we'll discuss this later. Transaction type is for assets, new company code, and we discuss this later. Discount overview, document overview. Enter credit entry star. Star means it will copy the previous line item entry as it is. Cash. Okay. Display overview. Enter. Enter. Post 102 was posted. We go back to the main page. I can go here and say F303 and I will pull up the document list and I will put the company code and execute. It will say specify another criteria, which is orange, which means this is just a warning I shouldn't worry about. I will just press enter. It will show me 3 documents that have been posted. Okay. /n. Okay, I want to see account details. I can go to display balances or reporting. FBL3N, this is standard report for GL. FI46, all items execute. So these are the items that have been posted. Okay, it's showing in PKR because this was posted in dollars. So since the currency was PKR of this GL account, that's why it is showing it PKR. Okay, petty expense, right? So that's all for today.